What is up, you guys? I am back with another beatbox tutorial, and today we are going to learn the bird squeak. Step 1. You have to do an outward click roll. Okay, so let me tell you that this sound, it has nothing to do with inhaling air or exhaling air, because I can do it while humming as well. So which pretty much means that I'm not inhaling or exhaling air and just using the air that is already there inside my mouth by creating some sort of pressure, right? So what I'm trying to say is that the outward click roll basically does not have anything to do with inhaling air, like the thing which you do in case of an inward click roll, that is. So it has nothing to do with this, or exhaling air, that is. This is a tongue bass, and this is an outward click roll. Click roll, click. So suppose this is your tongue, this is the tip of your tongue, and this is the roof of your mouth, and the region till my first joint over here represents the teeth. So what you might want to do is bring your tongue in a position like this, where the tip of your tongue is touching the region that is absolutely close to the teeth. Okay. Like this. You're not supposed to keep your tongue over here. That is the thing which you do in case of an inward click roll, because during an inward click roll, what you do is you roll back your tongue like this. But you're not supposed to do something like that. You're supposed to extend your tongue further and bring it very close to your teeth, and such that the flat surface of your tongue is touching the roof of your mouth like this. You won't be able to see where my flat surface is touching. It would be eventually touching the roof of my mouth when I create the pressure, or when I push the tongue against the roof. So just bring your tongue over here like this, and then give the pressure. It should be like. You can push it from the center. What I do is I push it from one side, that is the left side, because I'm comfortable with the left side. So I push it with the left side like this. This is the thing what happens inside my tongue. But if you're comfortable with pushing from the center of your tongue, then you're good to go with that as well. Step 2. Now in step 2, what you gotta do is bring your upper teeth and lower teeth together like this. Then put up a huge smile and repeat step 1. Okay, the smiling thing is not necessary, just close your jaw. If you don't bring your upper teeth and lower teeth together, you'll be stuck in step 1 itself. Like, by no means can you move on to creating a squeak sound if you keep your mouth open. It is not possible. You have to close your jaw. Then only you can exert that much amount of pressure against the roof and your teeth. So now, keeping your jaw closed, you have to exert a lot of pressure and do the outward click roll. You'll automatically find a sweet spot from which you'll be able to make the squeak sound. Initially you'll sound something like, or something like that, because your tongue would be looking for that sweet spot, and then when you find it, you'll probably get a squeak. So now if you can do the squeak, what I want you to do is try to do the squeak changing your mouth posture so that you sound something like. Like this. You can change your mouth posture and experiment with this sound. You can add it to beats, you can add it with humming, you can add it with bass, like, or maybe so it is totally upon you how you're gonna use the squeak. Just don't flick my technique, just don't do the same thing that I'm doing. Just you have to experiment with the sound and come up with your own technique. That's more about it. So if you have watched the video till this part and if it is helpful to you, then please hit the like button, because if you hit the like button, YouTube will push this video and it would motivate me further to make more content like this, to make more tutorial videos, to help you guys out, and it's gonna be a win-win situation for both of us. Having said that, I know you guys take out time from your schedule to watch my videos, the tutorial videos, the beatbox routines that I upload, or maybe some other content that I'm uploading. Thank you so much, it means a lot. And I'm gonna meet you guys next week. Till then, keep practicing.